Welcome to Lane Community College's new student online orientation. This video and its interactive exercises will take approximately 20 to 30 minutes to complete. You can pause it at any point. However, if you close it before it is completed, you will need to start from the beginning later. Let's start with academic advising, which is key for achieving your college goals. Advisors can help you plan your classes and provide you with information essential to earning your degree or certificate. We recommend that you meet with your academic advisor at least once per term. Advisors are available to students in person during drop-in hours and via email. If you email your advisor, please include your L number and full name. Next, we'll look at how to find your academic advisor. Detailed advising information is available on our academic advising website, lanecc.edu/advising. On the left-hand menu, click Drop-in Advising Calendar. You can click on any date to view our up-to-date advising hours listed by department and advisor. Next, we'll discuss credits and study time. Each course you take is worth a certain amount of credits. 1 credit equals 1 hour in class per week. If your class is a 3-credit class, you will be expected to be in the classroom 3 hours per week. For each credit, students are expected to spend approximately 2 hours each week outside the classroom studying and doing homework. Some classes, like dance or physical education, entail more classroom hours since they are performance-based, so a 1-credit class may still require 3 hours in class per week. 12 credits or more is full-time status. When determining your credit load, you should consider time spent in ongoing and anticipated responsibilities like taking care of family members and working. Next, we'll look at programs of study. Lane offers programs of study in both career technical and transfer areas. Career technical programs are hands-on training programs such as nursing, graphic design, and culinary. Lane has over 40 career tech areas which lead to either certificates or associate degrees. Our graduates are ready to enter the workforce immediately after graduation. Be aware that a number of career tech programs have application processes and deadlines. Lane can also prepare you to transfer to a university after completing a number of courses. Some students might opt to do a direct transfer, which means they transfer to a university after earning the minimum transfer admissions requirements. Other students might opt to earn a transfer degree from Lane and then transfer for continued study in areas such as psychology, business, biology, and more. Next, we'll go over placement testing. Part of the steps to enroll at Lane is placement testing in reading, writing, and math. Your test scores will determine what courses we recommend you to take in your first term. Some students can bypass testing if they have AP or IB passing scores in those subject areas. Official scores must be submitted to Lane. Some students have completed college courses in their high schools through a program called College Now. If you've taken writing or math as a College Now student, you will continue on to the next writing and math class as needed. Please submit official transcripts or AP/IB test scores to Lane's enrollment services. If you are unhappy with your placement test scores, you are welcome to retest. Please see the placement testing website to schedule your next testing. For those who completed placement tests, to determine what math and writing courses you should take your first term, you'll need your printout of placement test scores for reference. Pause this video as necessary. Let's find your first term advising guide. In the Academic Advising website, click on Advising Library. Here you will find information organized by career communities. If you are undecided about your program of study, you'll click on Undecided and click on the Associate of Arts Oregon Transfer for undeclared students. If you know what area you'd like to pursue, click on the corresponding text. Let's say you're interested in eventually transferring to pursue engineering. Click on Science, Natural Resources, Math, and Engineering. Under Transfer First Term Advising Guides, click on Engineering. After opening your First Term Advising Guide, note the contact information for your advising team, including the advising team email. Look at the areas below to understand the specific writing and math pathways of your program. Different programs require different pathways. You are going to consult your placement testing sheet as well as this First Term Advising Guide and find the highest matching number between the two. Keep in mind that some programs may require a very specific math even if you have tested into a higher level. Your First Term Advising Guide will also recommend additional courses you can take, depending on either or both your writing and math placement scores. If you have any questions about what courses you should take, please contact your academic advisors via email or during drop-in hours. Next, we'll go over how to register for courses in MyLane.